only press that button and for emergencies.
Can I have a cheeseburger and also 2 hash browns and 3 sodas?
This is not McDonald's.
Vote him, yeah. Wait, no.
Oh no.
She was not the
That's gotta
imposter.
hurt.
It what?
What the? What? Ah, I hate card swipe. Oh, hey man, are you also friends? I thought we were friends.
For
I
now.
thought we were friends. Help! Help! Michael, don't leave me here.
Guys, a little quick update. Today's sponsor is Among Us. By the way, we haven't filmed in 6 months because my brother keeps doesn't want to film for us, but I think we want to. But I want to. So we want to do it. And also, by shout out to whoever made Among Us. Shout out to him. And also, by the way, you might be mad because we haven't filmed in a while, but this video might be 5 minutes long. Probably our longest. Well, our longest is 33 minutes. So yeah, it's not going to be our longest. But the 33-minute video really took 3 days to make. So please like that video, and it also, yeah, I'm done.